Hey y'all, Redneck Giles here. Anyway, showing you guys some starfish. One there, and one over there, a couple over there. Yep, just hanging on the rock. Yeah, there's one like right there. Yep. Let's see if I can find some more. Okay. Yep. There's a bunch probably down in there. Let's see. Alright, find all that starfish off. Here we go. There's this guy. He's just hanging on the rock down there, see him? Thing's monster. Very monster. Yeah, that guy's pretty big. Yeah, monster starfish. Oh yeah. There you go. There's some right there. See that right in the middle of the screen? He's hanging upside down. Another orange one right there. This is nice to see the tide's coming in, so I'm going to catch all the starfish for you guys. Yeah, right there, you can see 3 of them. Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a 4th one there. Then you come over here. Got some down in there. 1, 2. There's one over in the corner. Yep, there's one right there. Good starfish. Oh, sorry. Yeah, look at those starfish. That's it. Right there. There's another starfish. Yeah, they just, they all hang around. There's actually one right here in the hole. See it? Yep, right there. Yeah, that baby's big. Oh yeah. Try to walk around here. Get you guys some good content, beach content. There's one right there. Maybe 1 or 2. Yeah, look at those starfish. Yep. Wow, unbelievable. Yep. Found another baby starfish right here on the side of the rock. See, this rock's really big. See? Here's my hand. Come down here. There's one right there. Hanging out. Oh yeah, big old starfish. Oh yeah. Yep. We're giving you guys some good beach content. Here's the beach. Beautiful beach today. Yep. I'll take you down by the water so you guys could hear this. You know, you guys in the UK and over there in Sweden and you know, maybe Idaho and some of the US states, you know, like Michigan. You guys don't get to come to the Oregon coast. California beach very good. You know, not very often. So I'll let you see this beach coming in. It's rolling in right now. We had at negative tide. We had 8 feet below negative tide about 2 hours ago. And it's coming on, I guess, 5, 6 p.m. Maybe a little later here in Oregon time. Man, I'm going to show you all this again. And it is beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Yep. Oh my god, I can't believe this water, man. It's flat and beautiful. It's so peaceful down here. I wish I could like build a house down here on the beach. Or have a cabin or something. There's some people up on the rocks over there. I mean, it's just trickling in here like crazy. Pretty soon where I'm standing, you know, down here where I'm standing, it'll be all undercover. It'll be all water up here. So, yeah. Anyway, showing you guys a video. I know this has nothing to do with my tiny home build, my off-grid tiny home build, but I had to get away and take a break, and you know, I work part-time and you know, deal family stuff and you know, hang out with my friends all the time. So when I get a couple days, I come down to the beach. I'm here today, Thursday, and Friday, and then I'll go home. I'll be be back in Springfield, Oregon Saturday. So I'm gonna have you guys listen to this peaceful water when it comes in. I'm gonna get down here and get you a close shot. Yeah, the water's coming in. When it starts piling up by the rocks here, it's usually time to, you know, get away. But I like getting close. There you go. Yeah. Yep. Oh, it's nice out here. Yep. Yeah, the water's just coming in. It's rolling in. Pretty soon it'll be, I'll be undercover. Ah. Yep. Rocks are getting covered up. Yeah. Beautiful. Now I've been to a lot of beaches. You know, I've been down to California beaches, I've been up to Washington beaches, and all over Oregon. You know, I've been Bandon, Oregon. I've been down to Gold Beach. I've been you know, Rockaway, Garibaldi. You know, Seaside, Oregon, and Newport and Lincoln City. If I had to pick some beautiful beaches, I'm talking peaceful, beautiful, calm. The top two out of all the beaches in Oregon, I would choose, actually top three would be, my number one would be Lincoln City, number two would be Newport, Oregon Beach, and then the third one that I like the most is Bandon, Oregon. So I hate Cannon Beach is a toss-up between Cannon Beach and Bandon. I prefer Bandon, Oregon. It's like a close to a 3-hour drive from Springfield down to Bandon, Oregon. So yeah, coming in. How nice and flat this water is. This is why I come down here. See that sun? Yeah, the sun is so pretty. There's some birds flying. Yep. Alrighty. I'll take you along and look at some more rocks. I know it's kind of boring, but it's something to do. I find the starfish, and there's usually black clams that attach to the rock, and you know, all that good stuff. So like I said, I always look around for stuff, see starfish, and oh yeah. So let's see if I can find a couple other little ones. I know it's getting kind of dark, the sun's going down. Don't have much time. Alright, here we go. A couple more. There you go. I got a purple one and an orange starfish right there, hanging on the rocks. Pretty cool. Yeah. Here's one more for you. Maybe 2, 3, 4 of them. You got some right there. You got another guy hanging there, and then you got that guy right there. Yeah, starfish. Oh wait, here we go. And an orange one. That's a big old fat one. That guy's been eating pretty good. Yep. Oh yeah. See, even the moon's out. That's our moon. Yep. Oh yes, this will be all underwater here pretty soon. See, I'm walking on the sand. So when the tide rolls in, oh, a bunch of starfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 6 of them. There's an orange one and a purple one. A purple one. There you go. Oh wow. Yeah. Yep. Anyway. Yeah. Trying to find some more starfish for you guys. Oh, it's a beautiful thing out here. I think there's one hanging off the rocks right here. I think so, yeah, right there. Oh yes. Yeah, sometimes starfish are deep down in the cracks like that one. Look at that guy right there. Man, that is a big one. Look at this rock pile. I mean, this thing is huge. I'm 6'1". These piles are over 10 feet above me. That guy's hanging way down there in that crack down in there. Yep. Pretty cool. There's Newport Beach. Yep. Oh yeah. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep. Usually I look for shells and, you know, sometimes you can find gold on the beach. Once in a while you can find some gold. No guarantees on the gold, but I have found it. But here in Oregon, you gotta have a permit to remove any sand off the beach. Even if you're just playing in the sand. You know, for sandboxes or whatever, you gotta have a permit, get the okay and all that good stuff. I'm showing you guys all this content where the rocks are. Yep. I think there's starfish right over there, but I can't get up there. Yeah. That's pretty nice around the rocks. That's where the water sits, you know, down in here. See how the water sits around the rocks. Yeah. Ooh, there's a starfish. I found one. There you go. There's an orange one. Yep, upside down. Yep. Yeah, pretty cool. Trying to see where they're at. Oh, they're underneath the rock. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them down there. See the purple ones? Yep, right there. Yeah, pretty cool. Watch a guy all step in the water. Ah! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just got over having a real bad allergy and head cold. I've been sick 5 times in 3 months here in Oregon. I work outside, and here's the green things. I can't remember what they call those. Yeah, you touch them, they close up. Yeah, they're all over here. Sorry, I'm not trying to show you the ground. I just look down in here. Sometimes you can find crab. There's a little tiny crab right there. See that crab? A little tiny rock crab all by itself down there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yep. Alright, well, my sun's going bye-bye and it's getting dark, so I'm gonna sign off, not sign off, but anyway, end the video. There's a plane running above. I think there's a live flight helicopter rescue. Yep. So, yep, flying around. Yep. Oh yeah, there's a seagull. Seagull! Ah! 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 Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Pretty nice. Oh, pretty. Alright guys. Well, can't see no more starfish. That was a pretty cool video, I think. Alrighty, I'm going to show you the beach one more time. Yep. Okay, I'll see you on the next video, y'all. Have a good night. Peace out.